We are going to dye the silk material by using acid dye. So for silk dyeing, we have to take acid dye along with acetic acid and sodium chloride. The weight of the silk material has been found as 0.495 grams. The percentage of acid dye to be taken to dye silk fabric is 2% on weight of material, and that is found to be 0.009 grams. And the acetic acid of 2.5% on weight of material has to be taken, and it should be 0.0123 grams. And sodium chloride of 20% on weight of material has been found as 0.009 grams. The temperature of 90 degrees centigrade has to be maintained throughout dyeing, and a time of nearly 60 to 90 minutes has to be followed during dyeing. The ml ratio to be taken as 25 ml. 25 ml of water has to be taken for dyeing. So 0.009 grams of acid dye has to be taken. So the acid dye is to be added to the dye bath. The required amount of acetic acid has to be added to the dye bath. 0.009 grams of sodium chloride has taken. The required amount of sodium chloride has been added in the dye bath, and dyeing should be carried out for 60 to 90 minutes. The sample of silk fabric has been taken, and it should be wetted before going for dyeing. Now the silk sample has been wetted. Now he is going to dye the sample in the dye bath. So after dyeing the sample has been subjected to washing with soap water and cold water. So the sample has been washed with cold water. The sample has been subjected for drying.